Hello and welcome to this festive video. This time of year is ideal for reflection and planning to reach new highs for game performance next year. In this video, we'll take a look at great tips for building an efficient user interface or UI. When building user interfaces for mobile games such as menus, overlays or touch controls, efficiency is vital, and that's because these elements can be on screen for much of the time, consuming valuable processing power. Imagine you opt for a popular shape for UI elements with fashionably rounded corners. You could build this shape using triangles arranged in a fan. But as the GPU processes the long, thin edges of many triangles, this gets expensive. Why? Because each fragment thread is created and processed as a 2x2 pixel patch called a quad. In this example, 17 quads are required to process just one of the long, thin triangles. Each quad is missing at least one pixel, so in total 68 fragment threads are sent for processing, when only 35 are actually needed for the triangle. Multiply this problem over the many triangles needed to create the rounded corner, and that's a lot of wasted processing power. Here's a more efficient approach. Careful choice of object geometry makes all the difference. Instead, we could build the shape using a recursive algorithm that adds new triangles, each consuming the largest amount of additional area. This method maximizes the ratio of the area covered by the triangle versus the total edge length. The GPU can discard triangles that generate no pixel coverage, such as the micro triangles around the periphery of the curved edge. This greatly reduces GPU memory bandwidth and memory consumption. Why not use Streamline in our Mobile Studio to monitor the partial coverage rate? Now, this lets you check if you have a problem with partial quads. Ideally, this number should be less than 10%. We're out of time now, but you can find more tips on optimizing mobile graphics on developer.arm.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your turkey and your mince pies and have a very happy holiday. Bye.